Good day to you. Bankolade here from Klacify Nigeria. Quickly, I want to show you how to make use of the AI feature that is newly introduced into the Klacify app. So from here, the first place you see when you come online, you click on the menu icon, you click on Klacify AI. Then as you can see, you can either generate lesson notes or generate CBT questions or generate CBT questions from your lesson notes, and you can check your previous lesson note. But quickly, I want to generate lesson notes. So here I'm going to select the subject, let's say biology. When you do that, all the subjects that you have pre-selected for your school will pop up. Then next is to select the class, and the classes you have pre-selected for your school will pop up as well. So let's say I'm selecting SS1 and the topic is, let's say, animal nutrition according to the topic they have in the scheme with relevant illustrations, and I click on generate lesson notes. So the AI is doing its work, and in a matter of seconds the result will be out. As you can see, the result is out. Lesson objectives, the introduction, types of nutrients, and so on and so forth, with conclusion and assignment. Then the next thing is to click on the pencil icon here to save it. Click on the check mark, so it is saved in your Klacify data that way, so that you can revisit it anytime. Now we've generated lesson notes. Let's proceed on to generate CBT question. So click on generate CBT question. You either generate it from the lesson notes that you already have, or you generate it directly. So let's generate from here. So select the class as well. The subject is biology as well. The class SS1. The number of questions, let's say 20 questions, because I have generated the lesson notes for another topic earlier, that's plant nutrition. So here I'm just to enter the topics and separate them by comma. If it is that I want to generate the CBT questions from lesson note I already have, I'll copy the lesson notes and paste them here. But here I just want the AI to generate it from the topics directly. So plant nutrition, that's the first topic, comma, animal nutrition. Then click on generate questions. So wait while the app does its work. Let me pause the video. Wow, so the questions are ready now. As you can see, these are questions capturing both topics, and you can see there are 20, and the answers have already been selected for each question. So the next thing is to automatically move the questions to the question bank, the CBT area where we have the question bank. So just click on save and edit questions, save and edit. So automatically, okay, the title, let's say biology test 1, for example. Then click on the check mark at the top to save that title. So automatically it's going to move this to a CBT portal view. So as you can see, we are now in the CBT portal where we set question. This is question 1, the question and the options and the answer automatically placed for 20 questions. So we can still do more. We can still generate more questions with AI. We can import from CSV. If you have the question in your CSV file, you can upload it, and you can also export in case you want to use it in another device. So that is how we make use of the Klacify AI that is newly introduced. Thank you.